everyone is celebrating Jupiter's move into Cancer, जैसे कि it is an automatic jackpot. But here is what most astrologers are not talking about. Jupiter just doesn't bring blessings only. Jupiter expands. Now the question is, what does it expand? What it expands is where it's traveling in your chart. For some people, Jupiter in Cancer will feel like a gold mine opening beneath their feet. जहां से भी देखो multiple income streams आ रहे. For others, responsibilities बढ़ेंगी, obligations बढ़ेंगी या काम बढ़ेगा. In the next few months, Jupiter won't stay the same. It moves through 3 different nakshatras: Punarvasu, Pushya, Aslesha. 3 different energies, 3 different lessons, 3 different ways abundance can show up. And if you understand how these nakshatras work, you'll know exactly where the opportunities are hiding. Jupiter first enters into Cancer through Punarvasu. Punarvasu is ruled by Aditi, the cosmic warrior. This is the nakshatra of restoration, renewal, second chances. Things जो गुम गए थे, which appear lost, they can return. Old opportunities can reappear. Projects abandoned months ago may suddenly become viable again. Punarvasu का message एक ही है. Try again, but this time with wisdom. If you are feeling stuck, this phase helps to rebuild. Then it moves into Pushya. Pushya is the provider, growth, nourishment, abundance. Oh, let me also tell you, Punarvasu is also the nakshatra where monsoons in India will be kind of delayed. They will start with Pushya. That is June 18th. After that, we will have a lot of rain. Now, Jupiter, when it moves into Pushya, Pushya being the most auspicious nakshatra in the astrology, it's where Jupiter feels truly like a guru. Knowledge grows, business grows, everything prospers, families grow, communities grow. But Pushya का एक problem है. It doesn't reward shortcuts. It rewards consistency. People who show up every day and do the work are the ones who benefit from it the most. Then Jupiter moves into Aslesha. This is where things get interesting. Aslesha is not about obvious opportunities. It's about hidden opportunities. Psychology, negotiation, research, strategy, understanding what lies beneath the surface. While Punarvasu rebuilds, Pushya nourishes, Aslesha teaches mastery. This is where smart moves will beat lucky moves. So who gets the gold mine? Who is Jupiter going to be meherban on? If Jupiter in Cancer is moving through your 1st, 5th, 9th or 11th houses, you are entering one of the most opportunity-rich periods of the next year. This is where Jupiter's exalted energy can really shine. If Cancer falls in your 1st house, Jupiter expands you. Confidence grows, visibility grows, people start noticing you, you start noticing yourself. Pushya helps you establish yourself. Aslesha teaches you how to use your personal power strategically. Literally, you become the opportunity. If Jupiter is going through your 5th house, teaching, content creation, investing, entrepreneurship, passion projects all receive support. Punarvasu sparks new inspiration. It nurtures steady growth. Aslesha helps you understand what your audience truly wants. And this is a fantastic placement for creators, educators. If Jupiter is in your ninth house, that is where Cancer is. Blessings will often arrive through teachers, spirituality, education, gurus, divine timing, travel. Punarvasu restores faith. Pushya strengthens your connection to mentors and wisdom. Ashlesha reveals deeper truths hidden beneath the surface. Many people experience a renewed sense of purpose during this transit. Now, if Jupiter goes through your 11th house, that is Cancer is your 11th house, Jupiter expands your gates, networks, audiences, communities, long-term growth. They all grow. This is the house of fulfillment. This is the house of harvest. Punarvasu can reconnect you with old contacts, forgotten opportunities. Pushya helps your network grow and strengthens your support system. Ashlesha teaches you to navigate powerful relationships and alliances strategically. For business owners, content creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone building an audience, this is one of the most profitable placements of the entire transit. This is where Jupiter turns connections into opportunities and opportunities into results. So if Jupiter is moving through your 1st, 5th, 9th and 11th houses, do not waste these transits. Plant seeds, take action, take chances, say yes to opportunity, because Jupiter is giving you a fertile ground. So what is the secret of working with Jupiter in Cancer? Stop asking, how can I get more? Start asking, what is Jupiter trying to grow? Because Jupiter's greatest gift is not money, it's expansion of consciousness. In your 1st, 5th, 9th and 11th, Jupiter will give you a lot more of opportunities. And in your 6th, 8th and 12th, opportunities arrive, but they arrive disguised as work, transformation, growth. But both paths lead to abundance. One path gives you the harvest, the other teaches you how to become a farmer. And in the long run, remember, the farmer who grows his opportunities will always win. Comment your rising sign below and I'll tell you which house Jupiter in Cancer is activating in your chart. Whether you're entering the gold mine phase or the winter phase.